Recently, a crew of the advanced Zemledeliye Remote mine-laying engineering system has laid smart minefields in the Avdiivka area, the Russian Defense Ministry said in a statement. Sappers remotely mined a section of terrain in the area for a possible breakthrough by Ukrainian forces, according to the ministry. Equipped with seismic sensors and electronic chips, the mines, used by Zemledeliye, can detect the type of approaching target and are only triggered by strictly programmed targets, be it military equipment or a passing person, the statement pointed out. The ministry added that a whole array of Ukrainian tanks and armed personnel carriers had already been destroyed by Zemledeliye smart mines. Zemledeliye, which operates as a multiple-launch rocket system, is capable of firing 122mm rockets containing anti-personnel, or anti-tank mines, at a distance of up to 15 kilometers away. A single salvo from Zemledeliye can transform several thousand square meters of land into a deadly minefield. The mines deployed by Zemledeliye can be pre-programmed to self-destruct after a certain period, thus ensuring that the minefields laid by this weapon would not pose a threat to civilians once the fighting is over. Earlier, a new batch of the ISDM Zemledeliye system, developed by the Russian state corporation Rostec, was delivered early to the Russian armed forces, as reported on October 13, 2023. This system is designed to cover extensive areas rapidly, with a firing range between 5 to 15 kilometers. It deploys 122mm caliber missiles, each equipped with warheads containing either anti-tank or anti-personnel mines. The system includes 2 pods, each with 25 mine launcher tubes, enabling it to create minefields comparable to several football fields in just a few minutes. The programmable ammunition of the Zemledeliye can self-destruct or deactivate at predetermined intervals, facilitating faster and safer mine clearance after military operations. The system is mounted on an 8x8 KAMAZ 6560 military truck and consists of a combat vehicle, a transport loading vehicle, and transport launch containers filled with various types of mines. Its operation is similar to a multiple launch rocket system, MLRS, using solid fuel engine ammunition loaded with mines. This system has been employed in various regions of Ukraine, including the Zaporizhia direction in northeastern parts of the country. The ISDM is utilized to create anti-access zones and protect supply routes by laying mines remotely. The mines dispersed by this system, such as the POM-2, are intended to self-destruct, but there have been cases where they failed to deactivate, posing ongoing risks for both Ukrainian military personnel and civilians. The ISDM Zemledeliye features automated systems for the preparation and input of flight mission data and mine self-destruction parameters. It can automatically fire a salvo at calculated aiming points, record the coordinates of impacts on an electronic map, and transmit data to higher control levels. The system's smart capabilities allow for the programming of mines to engage specific targets, reducing the risk of unintended detonations. Additionally, the system includes sensors to detect friendly forces, preventing accidental engagements with allied vehicles. The ISDM Zemledeliye system comprises two main vehicles, the ISDM Zemledeliye BM, the mine-laying vehicle, and the ISDM Zemledeliye I, the transport loading vehicle. Both vehicles are built on the KAMAZ 6560 chassis and are powered by a YAMZ 5367 diesel engine that produces 400 horsepower. The system supports two sets of 25,122 mm tube launchers, capable of deploying anti-tank or anti-personnel mines. The transport loading vehicle is equipped with a rear-mounted crane, ensuring efficient reloading and sustained operational capacity. Additionally, on February 28, 2024, during a visit to NPO Strela, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu attended the unveiling of the new Vozrozdany Bi-Caliber Multiple Launch Rocket System, MLRS. This system, based on the ISDM Zemledeliye 8x8 mine-laying system, can launch 140 mm mines for anti-tank or anti-personnel purposes and 220 mm rockets from various Russian MLRS systems, including the BM-27 Uragan, TOS-1 Buratino, TOS-1A Solnsepik, and TOS-2 Tosachka.